Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be going to a car show with a bunch of friends. So first things first, I just washed the E90 a couple days ago, but I don't know how it still got dirty. The wheels are all dirty and everything. So I also have some really bad tree sap right here, so I'm gonna try to get rid of that. But I'm gonna wash the E90 real quick. I'm meeting up with the guys in about, I think, 45 to an hour. So let's go ahead and get started with washing the E90. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell, but it is freezing outside right now. Like, this entire, it didn't show up well on the camera, but this is all frozen. Alright, so we just had the first L of the day. Just went to go spray the car down, and I guess I underestimated just how cold it was. I just snapped the handle off of the hose. So I guess plan B, we're gonna go to Brown Bear and use the hoses over there. I also just remembered, to nobody's surprise, that the car of course needs some gas. So on the way to Brown Bear, we're gonna stop and get some gas so that we can just dip straight from Brown Bear. This is not how the day should have started, to be honest, because it just would have been so much easier to wash it here and not have to put quarters and stuff into the machine, which I hope I actually have money to put into the machine, because that would not be good. But yep, just waiting for the E90 to warm up right now, and then gas, Brown Bear, and head to the meeting spot, meeting a couple friends somewhere in Bellevue before the meet, and then we're all gonna roll through together. So I'll pick you guys up throughout, I guess, the drive.
I want to get these seats. You hit the back seat.
Yeah, G, right?
R6 skiing. Oh, this one has a nice, looks like Stealth PPF. That's hella nice. That's a nice blue too.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I'm like, it's a
Am I tripping, or are those actual carbon? Yeah, I was gonna say they look. Yeah, they look like hydro.
No, those are, that's a that wing. Oh, he's missing.
It is sick though. Godzilla, Turbo S, Corvette. What are your thoughts on the M3'S?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I like him.
You like them?
Yeah.
I think this has the carbon ceramics.
Oh yeah.
If I could get one, I'd get the blue one though.
$14,000.
But I get the blue.
I know which one you're talking about. Yeah. $14,000 carbon ceramics on this joint. What the hell?
Are you talking about me?
Or actually, maybe it was like an $8,000. Yeah, bro, it's like $892. Absolutely nuts. And then over here, I got this S3. That's this. Dude, these Supras are growing on me. Like, this thing's nice wing. The backs of these cars are absolutely nuts. So sexy. So sexy. Back of the cars. Oh, that girl's so close to Linton's car. Alright, so now we're warming the cars up. About to go get some big chicken. I don't even know what this is. I didn't film as much as I thought I would, but pretty solid car show. Most of the M3's lined up here. Maybe, the white one that Julian owns across the street. But these are all the boys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to conclude the car show for today. I don't know if I got a lot of footage or anything, but I hope I did. We are currently headed to Big Chicken, which is owned by Shaq, I guess. So I'll go ahead and pick you guys up